Are you having Air Force Recon 70 audio issues with Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the microphone. Make sure the microphone is rotated to the unmute position. Try using the headset with a different device, like a smartphone or tablet. If the issue persists, contact Turtle Beach's support team. Method 2. Adjust the volume. When you are having audio issues on the Nintendo Switch, disconnect the headset for the time being and increase the volume from the volume up button present at the top or side of the Switch. Increase the volume as loud as you can. If the volume keys are muted, then you will not be hear anything. Ensure that the volume is not muted or too low. Verify that the headset jack is not obstructed or damaged. Method 3. Check for software updates. Outdated software can cause audio glitches. Make sure your console is running the latest system update. Go to System Settings, select System Update to check for updates. Method 4. Disable mute when headsets are disconnected. Go to System Settings. Select System, then mute when headphones are disconnected. Turn off the setting to prevent the system speakers from being muted when headphones are disconnected. Method 5. Check for Bluetooth interferences. Disconnect any paired Bluetooth audio devices to ensure they are not interfering with the Air Force Recon 70 headset. Otherwise, you cannot pair the new audio device to your Nintendo Switch. To disconnect a controller, press the sync button on the controller for a second till it turns off. A pair of Joy-Cons are counted as two wireless controllers. Now turn on the Bluetooth headphones and set it to pairing or searchable mode. Follow the instructions provided on your specific Bluetooth device to pair it. The steps can vary from device to device. Now select the home menu on your Nintendo Switch and go to System Settings. Select Bluetooth Audio and select the Pair Device option. This will initiate a search for any available device within its range. Wait till it completes its search. If you already have 10 devices paired to your system, you need to remove at least one device to connect the headset. Then select the headset once found. When you get connected, check by playing any audio. Adjust the level to your comfort. Method 6. Try a different headset. If the issue persists, try using a different headset to rule out any problems with the specific headset. Method 7. Check for game-specific issues. If the issue is specific to a particular game, try restarting the game or disabling and re-enabling voice chat options. The steps may vary as per game. And there you have it. The methods to fix Air Force Recon 70 audio issues with Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.